see that? Tyson Link. Roger Nancy walk on. Stubborn, look there.
What's music without its producers right now? Alright, now we're talking to the man in the moment right now. Stubborn God from Stubborn God Music. Stubborn. Welcome, my father.
Blessings, man, you know. Give her thanks, you know.
Well, we see you have a lot of work out there right now. There's right now for you go on board.
Right now, 2023 is fresh. We have the new album dropping right now. The time is now. One of the biggest albums to come out of Jamaica and the whole Caribbean, you understand? It's a compilation of many artists. All of them are some big name and some youth we are sending a road. So the time is now album is about the youth. Is just a new beginning where we are trying to get some fresh sound and also bring the real authentic dancehall sound back with some fusion mixing with some international act.
Couple of artists on right now.
All of the big name them we have Valiant, King, Craft, Sirani, Massacre, Alkaline. Everybody's on the project right now where we have some new youth too, like Swaz, one of my artists where me I push a road said speed.
What unique about this album right now?
What unique about the album is like dancehall Afro mix. Dancehall artists collab with African artists on the album. As we say, the time is now. It's a change. It's a new beginning right now.
And your eyes right now, dancehall need a change?
Yes, really need a change.
And basically you know and feel that the time is now is the change for dancehall.
Yes.
Alright, so as a producer right now, what basically you feel that dancehall is lacking?
To our dancehall structure from the beginning, we kind of lose it because at the end of the day, dancehall, no people don't know dancehall. The youth them nowadays, so them now the dancehall, them are the trap dancehall. So dancehall is really the beat. You understand the high tempo and the whole of that something there. So as a producer, if you don't know that and create it, most of the songs them know and the youth them just build some rhythm and we sound good to them and them put some melody to it and just drop some song. No, so nothing wrong with that. You can't blame them. It's what them really know and we work for them, them do it. So at the end of the day now, we have to just try to create back some music where we can interact mainstream artists, not just American, Canadian or English artists. We can work with some Spanish artists, some African artists, because all of them love dancehall.
Yeah.
Dancehall still the mainstream.
Basically, time is now. You feel like this album is a mainstream album?
Sure.
We can keep the gate open.
Sure, like 110%. The world is waiting on this album.
So what makes this album so intense?
It does great. It's just a terrific album where nobody can go around the album. Magnificent. This have a Midas touch in the album. I understand it's an album I believe because remember I put out many projects before, I have a lot of albums before, but this album is like, it's a miracle album because as I say, the time is now really come off of my life. I feel like if I come up front now and be the person, make the world see the face, see the world, make see everything, and we used to be behind the scene for a while. So we decided to step forward now and make the world say, yo, so the time is now.
The man said the time is now.
Yeah.
Stubborn God Music. Check it out.